Hey guys, it's Honesty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made my YouTube channel art or YouTube banners they call it. So if you want to see more videos like these, travel vlogs, cooking time with me, please stick around and subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's get into this video. So the app that we'll be using today is called CANVA. Canva is free to use, or you can purchase their paid version. And for Canva, I was introduced to this website via Satania. She is a bomb creator, writer, website designer, and the list goes on. I'll just add her Instagram down below and you guys can go ahead and check her out. Okay guys, once you're in Canva, you're gonna go to the search bar at the top, type YouTube channel art. Then we're gonna click create a YouTube channel art on the left. Then we're just gonna wait on this to open. Then the next step, we're gonna go ahead and go to google.com. Then we're gonna type YouTube channel art templates. Then you're gonna click on images. And we're going to use this template here. You're just going to right click and save it to your device. I will just skip that step because I already have it saved on my PC. The next step, we're going to go back to canva.com, click upload, then upload media, and you're going to upload media, then device, then you're going to upload the template that we got from Google along with your pictures here. Next step, we're going to go to background at the bottom there, and I'm going to use this marble background. You can choose any one you desire. Then I'm going to go to upload and going to use the template that we got from Google. I'm just going to open it here in the center of the page. And the next step, just to add our pictures now. So I'm going to use this first picture here, and bear in mind guys, for the YouTube channel art, the images and text can only go in between that space that you saw, that you're seeing my picture. Only in the center it can be added. Anything outside of that safe area, it will not be shown on Google. Just gonna add my third pic. And just gonna add my last pic here. And after that, I'm going to go to text and click add a heading. I will be using the font League Gothic. Just going to just type my name, Honesty Thompson. Then the next step, I'm going to go ahead and go to elements. I'm going to type gradients. Just search for little cute design. I'll be using this one on the left here. Just gonna add it in the center. Then I'm gonna change the color. You can use your brand colors or any color that you wish as well. You know, just be fun with it. So I'm gonna go back to text and add a next subheading. I'm gonna just add adventures, vlogs, and food. This is what my channel is about. Then the font I'll be using is Oswald. I'm just gonna bring it up under my name here and center it. Well, I don't think you guys can actually see it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click transparency up on the top right there and just bring it down so it's more visible as well to me and you guys. Okay guys, so the last step we're gonna do, go to elements and we're gonna add the social media icons. So we're gonna search for Instagram, Facebook, and the YouTube icon. Alright guys, so we're gonna go back to text, add a heading, and then I'm gonna enter my social media handle, which is Honesty Thompson 1. I'm just gonna add that beside all the icon using the same font under Oswald. And then I'm gonna copy and paste, which is Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and add my Instagram handle below as well. Alright guys, so the final step and then we're finished. We're just gonna go back to transparency and bring it all the way down to 0, and this is our banner. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for actually, in order to get it out of Canva, just go to download, and I leave it at PNG, and you can just click download and it will be saved to your PC. I won't be saving it again because it's already on my PC. So yeah guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this information was useful. Please continue to support, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys. Bye now.